My video guide will provide you with instructions to remove fake Windows Defender Security Center alerts that quote fake Windows support number 877-224-4133. Once again, keep in mind that this is a fake Windows support number. It is not related to Windows or Microsoft. If you see these pop-ups, don't trust them, don't tolerate them. There are some online criminals who stand behind these pop-ups. They try to make you scared about the condition of your computer and to make you waste your money into their favor, supposedly to fix your computer. So anyway, if you see these pop-ups, keep in mind that these are fake Windows support alerts. They are not related to Windows or Microsoft, so don't call this fake number. I recommend you to research your device with the help of reliable antivirus software such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, and then begin investigating your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.